Adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns, adverbs describe verbs. Okay. What is a noun? Okay, a noun is, let's check this part. Nouns name or identify a person, Anna, he, she, and I, as a pronoun, sorry, a place, forest, a thing, table, an animal, elephant. Those are the examples. Adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describe nouns. Angry, bad, brave, careful, easy, happy, immediate, nervous, polite, quick, tired, and good. These are adjectives. One more time. Angry, bad, brave, careful, easy, happy, immediate, nervous, polite, quick, tired, and good. Some of these are very similar in Spanish, okay? Immediate, maybe nervous. Adverbs describe verbs like angrily, badly, bravely, carefully, easily, happily, immediately, nervously, politely, quickly, tirely, and well. Okay, adverbs come from adjectives, most of them. For example, angry, which is an adjective, changes to angrily. Angrily is an adverb, angry is an adjective, okay? Angrily, we have to add L and Y to change or transform an adjective to an adverb. Bad, badly, brave, bravely, careful, carefully, easy, easily, happy, happily, immediate, immediately, nervous, nervously, polite, politely, quick, quickly, tired, tirely. But we have good. Good is different. Good changes to well. Okay. Uh, let's continue. Adjectives. We use adjectives to describe nouns. Remember, nouns name or identify a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. And pronouns, for example, uh, he, she, it, we, you, one day. Adjectives can come before nouns or after a linking verb. Okay, before, antes, after, después. So adjectives can come before nouns, pueden venir antes de los nouns, after de los linking verbs. Vamos a ver qué es un linking verb. Okay, what is a linking verb? Before the noun, this is the first one, before a noun. He dropped the hot plate. I have a white cat. The small ball bounces. What a beautiful car. Plate is a noun. Hot is the adjective. Cat, noun, adjective. Noun, adjective, noun, adjective. Car is a noun. Beautiful is an adjective. Okay. What happened with linking verbs? After a linking verb. Después de eh, un linking verb que es linking verbs are not action verbs. No describen acciones. Okay, like smell, seem, sound, become, taste, feel, state, or be. These are linking verbs. Okay. For example, this is a sentence using a linking verb. She seems tired. Okay. Look at the picture. How does she look? She seems tired. Maybe she seems sad, okay? Or maybe she seems, how can you describe this picture, okay? Well, those are linking verbs one more time. So let's check the examples after a linking verb. She seems tired. Tired is the adjective. The seems is the linking verb. The view is amazing. The weather became hot is a past verb. Become is the present. Became is the past. My cat is black. Okay. So hot, white, small, beautiful, tired, amazing, hot, and black are adjectives, okay? Plate, car, cat, ball, car are nouns. Seems, is, became, is are verbs. Okay, adverbs. Adverbs are used to describe verbs. Okay, adverbs describe verbs. Adjectives. Okay, in another video, I'm going to explain this, or other adverbs. There are often, but not always, made by adding, añadiendo, L and Y to the adjective. For example, slow, we add L and Y, slowly. Quick, we add L and Y, quickly. So we have slowly, quickly, well. Repeat, slowly, quickly, and well. I walk slowly, they work quickly, he speaks well. Speaks well, okay? Work, speak, and walk are verbs, okay? Walk is a verb, work is a verb, speak, third person, is a verb. So repeat after me, I walk slowly. They work quickly. He speaks well. Okay? Okay, let's practice. Adjective or adverb. Luis is slow or slowly. He works slow or slowly. The dog is angry or angrily. It barks angry or angrily. Mark is a good or well actor. He acts good or well. He looks sad or sadly. He look at me sad or sadly. Okay, ready? Okay, okay. The answers. The first one, Luis is slow. Slow is the adjective. Adjective after a linked verb. He works slowly. Slowly is an adverb. Work, third person works, is a verb. So the adverb describes the verb. The dog is angry, it barks angrily. Mark is a good actor, he acts well. Well, remember, is an adverb, describes the verb. He looks sad, okay? He looked at me sadly. Okay, sad is an adjective. After a linked verb, look, looks in third person. I look, you look, he looks, she looks, okay? He looked at me sadly, okay? Me mira tristemente. He sadly describes the action, verb look. Okay, that's all for today. So thank you very much for your attention. See you later. Bye.